So I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones or earbuds on your Vitron Smart TV. So from the home screen, just press home on the remote and then go and left again until you see this little panel. Scroll down and select settings. There. Under settings, go to Bluetooth, select that, and then first of all, make sure the Bluetooth function is enabled. So press OK, and that's going to turn on Bluetooth. And with Bluetooth on, it's going to start scanning for devices. So what you need to do is put your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds in Bluetooth pairing mode. And that process mainly differs from Bluetooth earbuds to earbuds. Different companies have different ways of putting their gadgets in Bluetooth mode. For this one, all I have to do is long press and you can see it's in pairing mode. And now, if the TV has stopped scanning, you need to go down there and select search for connectable devices again. And it should be able to detect any Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth speaker or earbuds that are in Bluetooth pairing mode. There you go. So we have those detected. I'm gonna scroll down and select and then confirm I want to pair. Actually, that's the wrong device. So I'm just gonna go and select my JBL, select pair. And they'll get paired and connected. It's really that simple. So now you can put on your headphones or you can just listen to any audio from the TV via your Bluetooth headphones or speaker. Thanks for watching and good luck.